Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering down and disconnecting the battery so you don't short anything. Next, locate the radio's RCA output jacks and the remote turn-on wire. These tell the amp when to power up. Run the 12V power wire from the battery, but don't connect it yet. Leave about 6 inches free for the fuse. Once done, route the ground cable to a clean chassis point and prepare RCA cables from radio to amplifier inputs to avoid noise. You should mount the amplifier where air can circulate. Vibration and heat kill electronics, so secure it firmly. Make the ground connection first to bare metal with paint removed because it stabilizes the system. Now connect the fused 12V power lead, but leave the battery terminal open until all wiring is in place. Attach the remote turn-on wire to the radio's remote output. This tells the amp to wake. Finally, plug RCA cables for signal or use speaker level. You're nearly done. Reconnect the battery and power on the radio. The amplifier's power LED should light if the remote lead and fuse are correct. Once the amp is awake, play audio at low volume and increase gain slowly until clean output, not distorted, appears. Set crossover points for subs or speakers as needed. If you hear hum, no sound, or intermittent power, check the ground connection, separate RCA from power runs, confirm the remote turn-on wiring, and inspect the inline fuse. That usually fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.